3, 2, 1.
How many people take part in the dance of a quadrille? The answer is C, 8. In what year did von Neumann become commissioner of the AEC? The answer is B, 1955. Why is this girl feeling heartache? The answer is C, she is unable to conceive. How many high-level communists were purged in the Slansky trial? The answer is C, 14. Which of the following is not a real role-playing game? The answer is D, Last Guardian. How many national highway bridges in Oklahoma were found to be deficient in 2010? The answer is A, 235. A jet ski is on the sand. A person is tied to the back of the jet ski. What happens next? The answer is B, takes off onto the water. In what year did the Brazilian Supreme Court rule that treaties containing human rights provisions enjoy a status above ordinary legislation? The answer is D, 2008. What year did Queen Victoria die? The answer is A, 1897. What may happen after we woke up? The answer is D, take a hot shower. Which of these numbers is not a factor of 15? The answer is D, 4. Why did I have to hide the fact that I was a vampire? The answer is D, others would be scared. How many firefighters died in the World Trade Center attack? The answer is B, 343. How many digits are on the long number seen on the front of a credit or debit card? The answer is A, 16. Safety pin, how would you do this? The answer is A, connecting papers easily. We divide up the Earth's seas into 5 what, which are really all interconnected. The answer is C, oceans. Why did I use the rower? The answer is A, I wanted to challenge myself. Why are Zach and the narrator separated for the night? The answer is D, they are taking a break. Where in the periodic table would shiny, malleable materials used in making jewelry be found? The answer is C, Group 11-1B. What biblical hero split the seas so that he and his people could go across? The answer is D. Moses. How were the kids feeling last night? The answer is C. They were really excited and happy. How do you disagree with something in court? How would you do this? The answer is A. Say, Your Honor. How would I feel if I hear back from them? The answer is C. I would be delighted. Hot water, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can melt humans. A man is bouncing a tennis ball on an outdoor court. What happens next? The answer is C. Hits the ball over the net several times. What mode of transportation does the story take place? The answer is D. A bus. How many years after Mockingbird was Watchmen set? The answer is A. 20. What are the preserved remains of animals, plants, and other organisms called? The answer is A. Fossils. Why did I take pictures of the hail during the storm? The answer is D. So I could post them on social media. What may be the reason for their interest in a blog? The answer is B. They want to express their feelings through it. What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon? The answer is A. 540. What is our current relationship status? The answer is C. We just decided to start seeing each other. Deserts and forests are examples of what type of biome? The answer is A. Terrestrial. What year did Robert Hansen die? The answer is B. 1944. What will happen after he arrives home? The answer is C. He will hug his sisters. Cnidarians have a simple digestive system with a single opening surrounded by what type of structures which are used to capture prey? The answer is C. Tentacles. What is the number placed in front of a chemical symbol or formula that shows how many atoms or molecules of the substance are involved in the reaction? The answer is C. Coefficient. Which Star Trek Next Generation actor did not appear on Days of Our Lives? The answer is C. Patrick Stewart. Captain Jean-Luc Picard. What type of activity in the brain causes epilepsy? The answer is A. Abnormal electrical activity. What is the principle of conservation of energy? The answer is A. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. What may happen before entering the secure building? The answer is D. I will get surrounded by the security. What year did the term cubism become used less? The answer is C. 1911. When did the Mossad al-Aliyah disband? The answer is C. 1953. The first four-way lines were created in what year? The answer is C. 1899. In what year did Nina Bracewell-Smith and Danny Fisman acquire their shares of Arsenal? The answer is C. 2007. What might the person do next after finding the PSB is broken? The answer is A. Ask the seller for their money back. Which rodent can be trained to sniff out landmines? The answer is D. The Gambian pouch rat. Why did I fall asleep in class? The answer is C. I didn't eat or drink all day. What percentage of murderers in California are given the death penalty and subsequently freed? The answer is A. 1. When was the Environmental Law magazine started?